A very beautiful good morning to my dear little ones. Children, do you know which season is going on? Yes, rainy season. रेनी सीजन में क्या होता है? रेनी सीजन में बारिश आती है और हमारे चारों तरफ हरियाली दिखाई देती है. And sometimes we can see thunder lightning. Sometimes we can see frogs jumping around. Kids love to play with the paper boat and jumping in the puddles. That's why we love the rainy season. So children, today we are going to learn about rainy season. But before that, let's enjoy this nice song.
Hooray, hooray, the rain has come. Hooray, hooray, the rain has come. Bring out the hot corn, won't you have some? Bring out the hot corn, won't you have some? Open your umbrellas and wear your raincoats. Open your umbrellas and wear your raincoats. Let's play in the puddles and sail paper boats. Let's play in the puddles and sail paper boats.
So children, did you enjoy the song? Yes? Okay. Now, today we are going to learn about rainy season and it is also called monsoon season. In rainy season, when the clouds become dark and grey, it means હવે વરસાદ પડશે. You can also see lightning and you can also hear thundering. Children, do you know how does rainbow appears in the sky in rainy season? I will tell you. When it is raining and suddenly sun also appears behind the clouds, when sun and rain both are in the sky, we can see a beautiful rainbow. તમે સ્કાયમાં રેનબો જોયો છે ને? કલરફુલ રેનબો જોયો છે ને? યસ. And we can see greenery everywhere. Now let's see some creatures that we can easily see in monsoon season. Oh, which bird is this? Yes, peacock. And children, peacockને વરસાદમાં ડાન્સ કરવાનું બહુ ગમે. And peacock is a national bird. Then we can see snail, earthworms and snakes. We can see different types of snakes in rainy season. Now children, listen to this sound. This is the sound of frog. We can see frogs also easily in rainy season. So children, now let's see what things we can use in rainy season to protect ourselves. Okay? We can use umbrella, raincoat, gumboots and rainy sandals. And children, I know તમને વરસાદમાં એન્જોય કરવાનું બહુ ગમે ને? But you have to use your umbrella, wear raincoat, rainy sandals and then you can enjoy in rain. Okay? Now let's see some food items that we like to have in rainy season. આપણને રેની સિઝનમાં શું ખાવાનું બહુ ગમે? Yes, hot milk, hot bhajiyas and cones. Children, આ બધું આપણે મોન્સૂન સિઝનમાં ખાઈએ ને?
In Me and My Surrounding, open page number 2626. Monsoon season. It is also known as rainy season. Kids, in this picture, what can you see? Yes, clouds. And from these clouds, rain is falling. And everywhere we can see greenery because of rain. And see, here two kids are enjoying the rain in the puddle. And they are under the umbrella protecting themselves. Okay, kids? It rains on a rainy day. We use umbrella, raincoat and gumboots during rainy season. Now on next page, draw rain below the clouds and color it. Kids, here dark clouds are given and we have to draw rain. So we will use dark blue color and draw rain like this. Now we will color with light blue color inside. Now see, like this you have to color. Okay. Now take the things related to rainy season. Kids, here some pictures are given and we have to take the pictures that we use in rainy season. Okay. What is this? Raincoat. We use raincoat, no? So we will tick on it. This is sandal. So here also we will tick. What is this? Mushroom. We can see mushroom in rainy season. So we will tick here also. Now what are these? Gumboots. We use gumboots in rainy season, right? So we will tick. What are these? Gloves. Do we use gloves? No. Then what is this? Yes, colorful umbrella. So we use umbrella in rainy season. So we will tick here. And see, this is green color frog. We can see frog in rainy season, right? So we will put here tick. And what is this? Sunglasses. We use sunglasses in summer season. And this is jacket. Do we use jacket in rainy season? No, so we will not tick on it. So kids, you have to do this exercise at your home. On page number 6464, recognize the season and draw two related pictures for each season. Kids, which season is this? Summer season, and we have already drawn two pictures. Now we will draw two pictures for rainy season. Okay? What do we use in rainy season? Raincoat. So we will draw raincoat. First, we will draw oval shape like this. Then from the top, we will make slanting line like this. Okay? And now we will make a small standing line here and here one big standing line. Now make a small slipping line and here also small slipping line. Now from this slipping line make a slanting line and another slanting line, and from here again we will go up with a slanting line. Same way here we will make slanting line, another small slanting line and go up with a slanting line. Here make a standing line and here also another standing line. Join with slipping line. See, our raincoat is ready. Now we will make two parts, making one standing line. Now we will draw some buttons. So we will draw small circle like this, and we will draw one slipping line, standing line, standing line and slipping line, and here we will write V like this, slanting line, slanting line. This is a pocket of the raincoat. And now we will draw here string to tie our cap. Our raincoat is ready. Now we will draw one thing which we like to have in rainy season. Kids, we will draw a corn, okay? First, make standing line and again standing line. Join it with a curve and here also curve. Now we will draw two small standing line and join it with slipping line. Now from here we will make a slanting line and curve. From here also make slanting line and curve. Now inside we will draw small circles like this. See, our corn is ready. So kids, you also have to draw these pictures in your book. Bye bye.